Start with a warm greeting and introduce yourself as the host of the Product Critique channel. Mention that in today's video, you will be reviewing the Bones Reds bearings, which are considered some of the best longboard bearings on the market. Provide a brief overview of the product, emphasizing its key features and benefits. High-quality materials and precision machining. Smooth, fast, and long-lasting performance. Single, non-contact, removable rubber shield for easy cleaning. High-speed nylon ball retainer for increased strength and speed. Good combination of performance, durability, and affordability. Share your thoughts on the advantages and disadvantages of using Bones Reds bearings based on the information provided and any personal experience you may have. Summarize your overall impressions of the Bones Reds bearings. Mention that they are a top choice for skateboarders and longboard enthusiasts due to their quality and affordability. Encourage viewers to check out the product on Amazon for more information. Invite them to subscribe to your channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thank your viewers for watching and remind them to like, share, and comment on the video. Sign off and mention that you'll see them in the next review. Remember to personalize the script with your own style and insights to make it unique to your channel. Additionally, you can add visuals, demonstrations, and footage of the product to enhance the video.